Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making migas. This is a delicious comfort food, and these crispy fried corn tortillas with eggs are my husband's childhood favorite. We serve them up with ketchup, hot sauce, and some fresh salsa, and our kids love a big plate of migas with salt, pepper, and ketchup. Let me show you how easy it is to make this. Take a quick look at our ingredients, and I've listed them and the recipe in the description box below. Okay, I know not everyone puts ketchup or sriracha on their migas, but this is what we do at our house. Some people use Cholula or Tortilla or Texas Pete. What's your condiment of choice? Let me know in the comments below. Now back to the migas. First, I'm going to put together a quick salsa, dicing up a bit of onion, some tomato, and jalapeno pepper. You could also add this mixture in with the corn tortillas once they've fried a bit, but today I'm making migas for 4, and the kids prefer their migas with just eggs, tortillas, and a little salt and pepper. To serve 4, I'll be using 7 eggs. Crack and beat the eggs in a large bowl. And if this is your first time here, welcome. We're making easy, no-fail recipes that you can make with confidence and share with everyone you love. I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Subscribe to find out when we've posted a new one. Hey, what's your favorite childhood breakfast? Drop it in the comments below. I'll be using 7 or 8 corn tortillas for this. To get started frying, add about 2 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil to a large pan and heat over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, begin adding the tortillas. You can cut the tortillas with a knife or scissors, or I like to just tear them into pieces over the skillet. And I'm separating the pieces as I drop them into the pan and making sure each one gets coated with the oil. Fry the tortillas for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring it frequently to keep the pieces separated so they all get nice and toasty. When the tortillas begin to crisp up and turn a nice golden color, add the beaten eggs, pouring them all over the tortillas and making sure the tortillas are all coated with egg. Looks like I missed one of the yolks, so I'll beat this one up a little with a fork. Add some salt and pepper. We like to have big puffy sections of egg mixed with the tortillas, and so I let the eggs cook until they've set and then gently flip over in large sections. And you can mix this up and scramble your eggs based on how you like your eggs done. And these are ready. Remove the migas from heat and serve them up with salt, pepper, and your favorite toppings: ketchup, hot sauce, fresh salsa. I hope you enjoy this classic Mexican breakfast as much as we do. If you like this recipe, do me a favor and hit the like button. It really helps us out. And if you love to entertain, I've put together a playlist of our easiest potluck dishes to share with friends and family. Take care, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.